Some of the most acclaimed advertising campaigns in history come from Visa and MasterCard. Both financial services companies have left us with memorable campaigns and great slogans that we have used in our daily lives. It was in 1985 when Visa launched the campaign "It's Everywhere You Want to Be" together with BBDO in an attempt to differentiate itself from MasterCard and Amex, its competitors at the time. Now, it has launched a new campaign that reimagines this concept to suit new generations. Let's see it.
Huh. Just 49 keys inside a metal thing from 1958. Or maybe it's the first step to becoming a writer, and your first book gets turned into a movie by your favorite director, aka new best friend. Or maybe becoming a chef who crafts unique recipes like croissant nigiri. Hey, the people love it. Critics do too. Like, really love it. Wow. Or you could start a travel zine where your research takes you from South America to somehow Scandinavia to scream singing your way through Shibuya. And all of it makes your travel zine so successful, you need a vacation. So you can keep writing about vacations.
Cash or card?
Sorry?
Cash or card?
Visa.
Whatever you want to be, one step can take you everywhere you want.